looking at models of wind turbines that was done 100 years ago, where just this craftsmanship was applied, I thought I can do the same thing. My name is Nielbock, and I am from Detroit, Michigan, and I am a Master Craftsman in architectural, ornamental, metalwork, and design. The similar design was designed for the World Expo in 1862. And so I replicated this gate. And whenever I have some free time, I work on it a little bit more, but it's almost complete, except about 60% of the ornamentation. There's lost wax bronze castings. Each one is different. Each one is an individual crafted sculpture. I learned this craft since I was 14 years old. I learned it in a Catholic monastery in Germany by old trade masters, which was monks, and exercised their trades religiously. The skilled trades is highly disciplined, and it requires strong ethics and a discipline and strength and coordination, and it'll take all your time for you to go through this 3-year apprenticeship program for you to graduate into journeymanship. Now, journeyman, it's a very old word that means to take your trade on a journey. So for 6 years, you journey around the country and work for as many companies or related craftsmen as possible for you to gain their set of knowledge. And then from journeyman to a master craftsman level. And then after that, you are able to take on your own apprentice and, continue that beautiful craft. I start collecting things that have to do with metalwork. And because of my Afro-American heritage right here, I got to find out about Benin Bronze. Benin is on the west coast of Africa, and Nigeria. It was a kingdom. And they mastered, and 500 years ago, the art of lost wax casting. And this whole Benin Bronze came lost because of the colonization of Africa, and everything was collected and brought to the National Museum in Britain. And I thought it's so fitting for Detroit, since Detroit is predominantly black. So to bring something into the community that didn't start by slavery, that instills a certain amount of pride and heritage in, I think it'll be just perfect. This is probably the first designed and built in Detroit windmill you're looking at. And all the parts and components that it took to build it are out of Detroit. The reason that I even got into green energy was for me to find a place with my skilled trades to apply to the new and upcoming things that we just need. And so this is the first prototype, and is working over expectancy.